Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, this is Flawsome. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe. I would love you to be a part of this family. So do well to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that once a video is posted, you will be the first to see it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always coming around, for always supporting me. I really do love you. Without much ado, let's delve into today's video. Welcome back guys. So as you can see, my hair is dyed. This is my natural hair and it is dyed, and this is what we are talking about today. So before I dyed my hair, I had to do a whole lot of research because I kept hearing, and once you dye your natural hair, it's going to fall off, it's going to break, it's going to this, it's going to that. And even when I dyed it, I had so many, not even like, okay, I had nice compliments, right? It's so fine and everything, but how are you managing it? Won't you break? Don't you mind that it breaks? Don't you mind that your hair falls off and everything? And at some point, I was thinking, like, did I just wake up and find out that my hair is falling off? But then let me walk you through what I do to maintain it. To be sincere, I haven't had healthy hair like now. Like, my hair has never been this healthy until I dyed it. Because let me say, because I maintain it, I pay so much attention to it. I don't know, but maybe it's just that. Let me say, after washing, what I do within the week and to maintain my natural dyed hair, or my dyed natural hair rather. So I'm just going to unpack, and then this is it. I just braided it, it's a loose braids. Yes, it's braided like this. It's braided. So I I dyed this hair some months ago, and guys, I love how my hair is turning out. I love the results. I just love everything about it. So I am going to walk you through. Like I said, the first thing I do is I use this spray. I use this, it's just water, so I spray it on my scalp and on the hair strands. So I spray on the scalp, very important. I ensure everywhere gets the water, even the front. I don't have so much edges, so I always maintain my edges like my life depends on it. So I do this on the scalp, and then I don't leave my hair out. I do it on the hair also. So after that, I just massage it. I ensure the whole water, I feel it on my scalp. The hair is quite wet. See, it's really falling now. You know that, yes, the water has really touched it. So after this, the next thing I do is I use my leave-in conditioner. So this is leave-in conditioner I use. It is Brush. I've been using this for a very long time. It has aloe vera, mint, and shea butter, and it is for detangling, and yeah, it restores. That's what it claims to do. So I am just going to apply it now. Okay, so I'm going to apply it on the hair strands, not on my scalp. My scalp is not going to be involved. I'm just going to apply it on the hair strands. So guys, once you dye your hair, right, I think why most people lose so much hair is because they do not give it moisture. Once you dye your hair, if there's anything you should pay attention to, is giving your hair so much moisture. In fact, there you cannot even over moisturize your hair. Your hair needs to be as hydrated and moisturized as anything. If you can do it daily, fine, you can do it daily. I'm going to apply more because it did not get to the whole part. Apply more on the hair. So after that, I just massage it on the hair very well, right? On the hair, basically, not on your scalp. And just do it on the hair so it feels very soft now, and I think that's why it is really, you know, it's laying well. So after that, I'm going to use my hair butter. I'm going to add, if it's not enough, it is really light falling off already. It's really melted. So I'm going to go with it first on the scalp. For the butter, I want it to be on my scalp, not just on my hair. So I'm going to apply it on my scalp. And then I give it a good massage also. Like any product I apply on my scalp, I love to massage it. I don't know if it's just me, but I really love to massage it into my hair. Just give it a very soft massage. And don't forget, massaging your scalp helps blood circulation, and it allows your product to go in very well. So I'm going to add more for the hair itself. This time around, I'm just going to apply it on the hair. So I think I like how it feels. Everything feels very soft. The moisture has really entered because I can feel how soft it is already. So the last thing I'll do before I do that, I'm just going to give you the major tips when you dye your natural hair. If you dye your natural hair and you don't maintain it, that is when you're going to lose so much hair. You're going to lose so much hair, and then I think that's a mistake so many people make, and then they just feel like it's an entirely bad experience. For me, I don't lose so much hair. In fact, I think I've lost more hair before I dyed than now. And then I just like the feel, I like the looks, like I look good, I know, right? It has just changed my entire look. I had to dye my hair for very personal reasons. Very personal reasons. Maybe I'll share it in another video, but I had to dye my hair for a very personal reason, or for personal reasons rather. So uh first of all, you have to maintain your hair. You have to maintain your hair, like pay attention to it more than anything. Number one, you do all of the washing. If you wash weekly, if you wash twice in a month like I do, if you wash 3 times a month, whichever one works for you, just ensure that you wash your hair frequently. Number two is that you do the whole hair maintenance, like this kind of maintenance. For me, I do it once in 2 days, or the entire process I'm showing now, I do it once in 2 days. But I always apply my hair butter, and then I spray water first, and then I apply my hair butter. I do that daily, like daily, daily, daily. I do not skip any day for that one. That's number two. Number three is you work in sections. Like if I was going to show you my wash routine now, I don't wash my entire hair, like the hair entirely like that. I wash in sections, divide it, and then divide the section the hair into four, and then work in sections. It helps very well. And I do not work on my hair dry. Like I do not comb my hair when it's dry at all, because I know that it's going to break the hair very well, and I don't even want to lose one strand, talk alone of a whole. No, 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 no ways. I don't want that. So I work in sections. And then one important thing to do, you don't comb your hair from the roots up. You comb from the tip. Comb from the tip like this. Take it in bits before you get to the roots. Once you comb from the roots, just know that you're going to lose hair. Forget, even if it's dry, even if it's not dry, you're going to lose hair very well. And then the last thing to do is that you use a gap tooth comb. Don't use that afro comb that goes this way. I know you have heard this very well. I'm still reminding, just in case you forgot. Ensure you use the gap tooth comb at all costs. Don't use the afro comb, most especially if your hair is natural. So the last thing I'll do, like I said, is I am going to use my oil. So this is my hair oil. This is it. I don't know if it's facing. So I'm just going to, for this one, I'll apply both on the scalp and on the hair strand, on the strands, which is correct. So guys, after that, I'm just going to apply on my edges. I have to be very gentle with my edges. And then I give it a good massage also, just like I did for the scalp. Give it a very gentle massage. And then at this point, my hair is really soft. You need to use your oil afterwards, after you use the water, after you use leave-in conditioner, butter. Then you use this, you use your oil, whatsoever oil you use for your hair. You use it so that you can seal in all of the moisture. Now, if there's anything, like I earlier said, if there's anything your hair needs at this point, is moisture, because dye dries out hair, and that is why hair falls out or the hair breaks when you dye and you do not give it so much or sufficient moisture. It's going to definitely fall out. There's no two ways about it, and that's why I have people regretting why they dyed their hair. So on a normal day, or my normal routine for my hair is I wash frequently. So after I wash my hair, I do the normal shampooing and conditioning, and then I wash. What I do every other day is I use my water. I spray water to my scalp and to the hair, and then I use either my butter or oils. That's every other day. But for this whole process that we went through, I do it once in 2 days. Do you understand? Once in 2 days. I don't do it every day because I really don't have the time, so I do it once in 2 days. So if you give your hair this kind of moisture, I bet you your dyed hair is definitely not going to cut. The dyed hair is definitely not going to break. Do you understand? If you follow these steps, I bet you're going to enjoy your dyed natural hair. Like, you will be so proud of it. I haven't enjoyed my natural hair like this period. I haven't, for real. So as you can see, this hair looks very healthy, like very healthy. Now you can proceed to styling it. For me, I'm just going to leave it like this for now because I'm going to be home. So I'm just going to leave it, and I really do love how it looks. Like, you can tell that this hair is healthy. This dyed hair is very healthy. Take a good look, a close look. So I did not regret dyeing my hair. That is what I must say. I did not regret it. All of the fears of losing hair, of my hair breaking, in fact, at some point somebody said my hair will fall off. I did not experience any of it. Okay. Guys, you're going to enjoy your hair, your dyed natural hair, if you follow this. These are things I do, and that's what I'm telling you. And then this is from somebody who has not lost so much. In fact, I can't even call it much hair since I dyed it. So if you want to enjoy your dyed natural, or if you want to dye your hair, this is a sign that you should dye it and enjoy your hair to the fullest, or to its fullest. I'll see you in my next video. This is all for this video, and if you got value, if you have watched to this point, trust me, you are the realest MVP. And if you got value for this, please do well to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that once the video is posted, you'll be the first to see it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.